Oh, no, 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 no. He ain't done. He just doesn't want to give up. Come on, 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 come on. He's just not giving up. Wow, he's just... Yes, 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 yes! Barely hooked too. Smoke just popped out. Oh man, that was the most nerve-wracking fight of the year. Let's freaking go. First fish of the day is a freaking trophy. Look at that thing. Big golden rainbow. Oh my good God. All right, I'm gonna get this out all, get my hook and shit. Oh my God, wow. Look at that fish. Beautiful trout. Look at that thing. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna get him back in. Beautiful fish. All right, guys. Beautiful fish. Hell of a fight. 5-minute fight. Get him back in. There you go. Nice. Nice. That just hit. I wasn't even really paying attention, but that just happened. What in the hell is going on today? Holy shit. Alright, this is a big one. Oh man. Oh my God. This must be my lucky day today or something. Wait, always before the first day. Wow. Oh my God. That's a beauty. Hell of a fish. Hell of a freaking fish. Wow. Look at that freaking thing. This is how you get them, man. Look at that thing. That is a hell of a fish. Like a freaking steelhead. That is awesome. Awesome fish. Oh yeah, this fish is fine. He'll be fine. Look at that freaking thing. Big rainbow. You go find an eddy and stay behind it. There he goes. He's fine. This water's nice and cool. Awesome. Awesome. Well guys, switch up to a spoon now, but anyways guys, what a great start so far. The plug catching 2 beautiful fish, big golden, just basically using lures in these deep holes, and I'm just getting, they're the only 2 fish I had on today too. Like that's insane. So I'm gonna keep trying here. We're probably gonna bounce around too to see if I get any more in different holes, but so I'm gonna try here for a little bit more. I might bust out the fly. The fly might, I see some jumping, so the fly might get a couple like last time. So yeah, I'm gonna keep trying and see if we get any more nice ones, but what a hell of a day so far already. It's finally a normal sized fish. I was bringing my lure upstream to me, and this guy hit it. A lot of times they do, guys. They follow your lure. They're down below you, and they'll follow you. Look how hard this guy's fighting. The water temp's perfect. The high, well, like mid-40s. Beautiful brown trout. Well, look at that. We caught a golden and rainbow and a freaking brown. Rainbow could have ate this brown, honestly. All right, guys. A little brownie. Cool looking one, though. Get him back in. Nice. So, guys, another one now. Whoa, he's jumping. Whoa, man, guys, these fish fight so good. The water's a lot. The alpha is a little bit hard today too. No, it's a rainbow. He's jumping like a rainbow. There we go. Nice. My netting skills are superb this year. Mini rainbow. Well, actually, that's normal size rainbow. The other one, again, could have ate that. Yeah, man. Nice. And now we're back to normal size trout. Ooh, it's a nice brookie. We get him in. That's a trout grand slam again. Nice brookie. Whoa. Nice brookie. Nice. You know, we're doing good for catching freaking every species. Alrighty. Nice, nice. I was letting this thing drift down a little bit. The plug. This thing hit it hard. This is a nice fish. He's barely hooked. I wonder if he's gonna come off. New hole now. Went downstream. Unless he's snagged. Because he feels snagged. Unless he's actually that nice. Is this fish this nice, or is he just snagged? He seems like he's snagged. I don't know, to be honest with you. I can't even see him. Because sometimes a plug, they do get snagged. Oh, he's just that nice, actually. He's a nice fish. Oh, he's a nice fish. I think he's a nice brown. He's just fighting him in this pool, little pool here. I think he's a nice brown. It drops off, guys. And you can just tell, too. Just taking my time. We're not undercurrent strong. Got a beautiful freaking brown. Wow. Look at that fish. Beautiful colors. What an awesome fish. Beautiful day today, guys. Wow. Wow, wow. He engulfed that. Yeah, he was not getting off. What a fish. Damn. Look at that thing, guys. Beautiful fish. Nice, like 18-inch trout. Easy. Wow. Wow. Early season bite. Great day on the river. That's how you be getting them. All right, let's keep going. Basically, guys, tried 2 holes, this big one, and then one up top. Just this one really nice brown trout here, but I'm gonna keep going a little bit more. Yeah, basically using artificials and basically getting them spoons, plugs, kind of a little bit of everything. So, going to keep trying here, maybe a couple more casts, and we'll go to a different spot. I honestly might go to a different spot now, honestly. So, all right, give a couple more casts here, then I'm gonna go. But overall, holy crap, what a day today. New spot now, guys, and new fish. Little guy. Ooh, there we go. Little brown, guys. Look at that. Little guy. Get him back in. My other brown could have ate him. I would try, honestly. Thing slammed it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. Holy shit. I seen him hit that thing too like a freaking freight train. Oh my god. Another big rainbow. Big rainbow. That's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Yes! That's like the same one I got in the other hole. Are you kidding me? That's a big fish. Wow, you thumped that freaking thing. Wow. Awesome fish. Big beauty of a fish. Like a friggin' steelhead. He's fine. His water's cold. Every new hole I went to, that smashed a big one. Let's freaking go. A lot of head shaking going on. There we go. Nice. Whew. Popped him right out. And that's why I knew he was barely hooked. Get him in. Nice. There we go. Another one. Another one. Another one. There we go. Oh, look at you guys. Okay, guys, back home now. What a great day on the river. That was one of my best days on that river. If not, my best day ever on that river. Great day of trout fishing. Really not. First trout of the day was a big golden rainbow. I mean, you can't beat that. The second trout of the day was a big freaking rainbow. But great day on the river. Using artificial baits. Haven't been using live bait. I don't usually use live bait too much. But if you use live bait again, you would catch a lot of trout on live bait too. But I always get nicer ones that are artificial. So just great day on the river. Nice brown and a nice rainbow at the end. Just really nice fish. The rods I'm using today, 7-foot medium light, fast action Avid X, 7-foot light action Avid Panfish series. I think that's a fast action, I think. But they don't make the Avid X anymore, which is sad. I missed that rod. But I mean, all the big fish on the Avid X rod, but just a great day, guys. Just using artificial fishing big holes. And I always, like I said, bring your lure up to you when you're using like spoons, spinners, plugs, even flies, like a woolly bugger or like a fly. Always bring it upstream. Those fish they're sitting below you. They can come up and friggin' hit it. That's how that big rainbow hit. I was bringing my lure back up and he friggin' whacked it. But just a great day today, guys. Water tempo was like in the mid 40s, so those fish were, it's really nice for those fish, especially when you land those bigger ones to get them out of shoreline, get them like get them going again. Like they don't get stressed out very easily. But just great day, guys. I can't, I mean, it's gonna be a hard time to beat that day for trout, especially this year. But wow, just a phenomenal day on the river. So overall, guys, great day on the river. That's how I get them, with artificial baits, going to holes, different holes, pockets, whatever. But this is a great day, guys. Great fish, great day. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Later, guys.